On the morning of the trip, Marco and the rest of his KWN team held a short meeting to review their roles and map out the activities planned for the day. It was a regular day in Lian, Batangas, but for the community, something meaningful was about to happen. As part of Panasonic's CSR program, a group of volunteers arrived to carry out activities focused on the environment, and the people in the area along with them were representatives from Panasonic Japan. They traveled to the Philippines to observe and document how CSR programs are done on the ground. They are also involved in similar CSR work in Japan, and their goal was to learn, share, and support the local team through Panasonic Kids Report. Marco, along with his team, joined the activity to cover what the team from Japan was doing. His role was to observe their work, their coordination with the local team, and how they connected with the community. The day started by the coast volunteers and locals worked together to plant mangroves. Each seedling planted was a small step toward protecting the shoreline and helping the environment in the long run. After the planting, the team prepared for the next part of the program. Under Panasonic's Light Up the Future initiative, solar lanterns were distributed to families in the community for households with limited access to electricity. These lanterns provide light at night and support daily activities, especially for children who study after dark. The team from Japan documented the process from the preparation to the actual distribution. They observed how the program was received by the community and how the local team carried out the CSR activities through peak. Marco and his team were able to share how Panasonic Japan and Panasonic Philippines worked together for one purpose: to support communities through simple but meaningful actions. The activity in Lian, Batangas shows that CSR is not just about programs, but about people working together, listening, helping, and making small changes that matter. This is the story of what happened during the PKR activity in Lian, Batangas.